Welcome back to my channel Prabha Crafts. I am doing this Seahorse applique. Very easy method. Seahorse very nice. I am using hook number is 2 mm crochet hook, metal hook, circular type, needle, scissor and eyes. Let us start. To make it slip knot, channel 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Next turn spack chain using skip 2, 1, 2. Third chain using single crochet. Next continue to single crochet. Total number of single crochet is 11. Next 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Next last chain is 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next again repeat 11 single crochet. Continue to 11 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Next slip stitch. Channel number 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Next turn, skip to 1, 2, back chain, third chain using slip stitch. Next channel, go to slip stitch. Next channel is go to slip stitch. Next channel to 1, 2. Next channel is go to slip stitch. This procedure followed to 9 times. Next channel to 1, 2. Next channel go to slip stitch. Next channel to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next channel 3, 1, 2, 3. Next skip 1. Next channel go to single crochet. Next channel 3, 1, 2, 3. Next skip 1. Next channel go to single crochet. Next 4 slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next again one slip stitch. Next channel 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next same channel using double crochet. Same point using double crochet. Next channel 3, next channel using double crochet. Next channel 3, 1, 2, 3. Next channel using double crochet. Next channel 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next same point connected to slip stitch. Next 7 slip stitch. Continue to 7 slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Channel 2, 1, 2. Next channel connected to slip stitch. Next again channel 2. Next channel go to slip stitch. Next channel 2, 1, 2. Next channel connected to double crochet. Next channel 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next turn, skip 3, fourth channel using single crochet. Next channel go to slip stitch. Next starting point, this point, half double crochet. Next channel 1, same point go to slip stitch. Next continue to 3 slip stitch. 1, 2, 3. Next go to next channel is single crochet. Next channel is half double crochet. Next channel is double crochet. Next channel is 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Next channel is double crochet. Next channel is half double crochet. Next channel is single crochet. Next channel go to slip stitch. Now cut the yarn. Now insert two eyes. Now ready for Seahorse applique. Easy, try it. Thank you for watching. Please support, like the channel, share the videos. Please subscribe.